I will show you my triumph triangles. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to explain why reusing is superior to recycling. We will use cardboard as an example, and I will show you my triumph triangles, which I made out of cardboard packaging. So make sure you stick around until the end. So let's get into it. Right now, we are using breathtaking amounts of cardboard. An average household can throw away as much as 13,000 separate pieces of cardboard every year. That's why most responsible citizens recycle instead. But is reusing more economical? Reusing cardboard uses less energy, causes less pollution, and is less expensive. But more importantly, it's more fun. It's time to introduce the Triumph Triangles. Here's my Triumph Triangles. Today I am going to explain how you can make your own. The first step is to find a piece of cardboard and flatten it out, as shown. Next, make a prototype to find a size that fits you. Maybe you want your triangles to be wide and short, for phones and calculators perhaps. But the point is, find the dimensions you find desirable. Now, you need to create the 2D shape of your product, using a ruler and a pencil to mark it onto the cardboard. Make sure you draw lines where you want your hinges to be. Next, cut your triangle with scissors. Make your hinges more flexible by stabbing them with the scissors, as shown. Now repeat the previous steps to create as many triangles as you want. Lastly, tape the ends of your triangle together to make triangular prisms. And boom! You're done. Now you can stack your triangles in any way you desire, and I can promise you, your days of disorganization are over.